Okay, welcome everybody to Simply Subtext. I'm going to talk to you today about how to add books and articles to your library in Subtext. The first thing to do after you've logged in is to look on the left-hand side of the screen where you see the plus and the blue button that says Tap to add books and articles. Once you press that, this other dialog box comes up. You can use the search box right there to type in a title of a book that you want to try and find on the Google Play Store. So I'm going to type in Scarlet Letter and see what comes up for that. Books that you find on the Google Play Store are either free and you can download them right away, or they need to be paid for through a Google Play account. So once you go and you scroll through and you find the one that you're looking for, I'll take this first one here at the top. You can press Add to Library, and a box will come up, and it asks where you want the book to be added. For this purpose, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to press Test Class, and once I've selected that, then it's going to add it to the shelf in that class. When I'm done adding, I press back next to the word Book Search, which will bring me back to my original screen. And now what I want to do is go to the bottom right hand corner where my groups are, and I'm going to press Test Class. And in that class, you'll see the group shelf is highlighted, and it's going to show me all the books or articles or web pages I've added to that class. 2 of them are already in the library, so those buttons are grayed out, but the Scarlet Letter hasn't been added to the library, so I need to press Add to Library to get that on my shelf, and you can see it fly over. I'm going to press back again to get back to my bookshelf. This slider bar on top highlights whichever book or article or web page you want to work with. So I'm going to slide it over so the Scarlet Letter is highlighted. And the first time you look at a book after you've downloaded it, you need to press the blue Download Book. You'll see that progress bar go across. And then once the blue Read It button comes up underneath, you're able to read it, annotate in it, add quizzes, and so forth. Just check to make sure that it's the version you want. Flip through a couple pages. And once it is, then you're all set. I'm going to go back to show you how to look for things on the internet, like articles. If you wanted to find articles on the internet and import them, you would of course press Find Free Web Articles, and the directions are right there. You can enter in a web address if you know one already, or you can use the box underneath number 1 to find, just to type in a search term and find an article if you haven't already found something. So I'm going to type in Nathaniel Hawthorne and press Google Search. Notice that while it's searching, the subtext banner is still saved across the top. So once I go through, I can find something. In fact, I can search these articles while I'm still in subtext. If I like it and I want to import that article, then once I've taken a peek at it and made sure that it has what I want, then what I do is I press the orange Save to Subtext that's up on that top banner. It's going to tell me that it's saving there. I'm going to press the blue Add to Library. It's going to take a second to convert it, because what it's doing is taking the text off the page and making it look like a digital book. So that does take a second. I'm going to select Add to Group. I'm going to tell it which group I want it to go to, so you make sure that the right people get the text. And once you've done that, you can press Close at the top. You can see that right now it's right here. It doesn't look the same because it doesn't have a cover like the book, but you know it's the right one because the title is the same. You press Download Book. Once you open it and read it, you can see that it does a great job of taking out all the ads, all the things that are on the side of a web page, and now it becomes a fully functional digital text that kids can highlight, take notes in. You can leave quizzes or other checkpoints in subtext. I hope you find that helpful. Thanks for watching.